Guys, welcome to the channel once again. The name is Guru Boy. So today we do have this broken device right over here, which is the iPhone 7 Plus on the unable to activate device, showing you right over unable to activate device, please shut down. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to skip unable to activate device. Since your baseband is being broken, we are going to use this tool called GSM ADJAA RAMDISK here on our Windows machine. So here I do have the GSM ADJAA being downloaded, so I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So here we do have GSM ADJAA RAMDISK right over here, so just click on it and run it as an administrator. So after running this tool as an administrator, it will launch. So if you do have your device being stuck on the activation lock, then this video is probably made for you. Or if you are on the iPhone lock to owner, then this tool will work for you great. So in the GSM ADJAA RAMDISK, very simple to use, user friendly. So what we are going to do in the GSM ADJAA RAMDISK tool is to first connect our device to the computer here over here. So I'll have to connect my phone to the computer right over here and wait for it to be detected. And now here we have our device being detected, so click on our device is in normal mode, so check the normal mode and click on detect phone and wait for it to be detected. So we have iPhone 7 on iOS 15.01. now click on iOS 15, since we know our device is on iOS 15, and now check on the nose SN change. So now let's generate our SN, which we'll use to skip the unable to activate or broken baseband device. So here we have our generated file ready, the activation file ready. So all we have to do is to put our device into recovery mode or DFU. So if you do know how to get a device straight up to DFU, then you can do that by putting your device into DFU mode. So here I'll put my device in DFU mode directly. So if you do not know how to put a device into DFU, you can use the DFU helper after putting your device into recovery mode. So if you do put your device in recovery mode, the DFU helper will instruct you to put your device into recovery mode. So here I'll have to pan DFU the device and wait for it to pan DFU. So if you are being prompted driver package, just check the first option right over here and click yes. Do it again by checking the first option and click yes, and now wait for your device to be pan DFU. So we have a successful message saying our device has been pan DFU successfully. So click on OK, and now uncheck device in normal mode, and now click on detect device once again and wait for your device to be detected in DFU mode. So here we do have our device in DFU mode. So if your ECID is not registered, here you do have to copy the ECID, click on copy and move to the website right over here, which I'll leave the link in the description for you to paste in your ECID and get it registered. So you do see my ECID being registered on the website. So after registering your ECID, just click on boot to RAMDISK and wait for your RAMDISK file to be downloaded. So click OK to start downloading the RAMDISK package. So if the download gets stuck at some point, just wait for it to finish downloading or give you a successful message saying your RAMDISK has been downloaded successful, and now you can boot RAMDISK. So just wait. And now we do have our RAMDISK being downloaded successfully. So we have to click on boot to RAMDISK and start exploiting the RAMDISK or sending the required files to our device. So at this point you might see your phone booting with the logo, or you might see it with a dim light on your phone. So just wait for the exploit to finish or until you have received a successful message saying RAMDISK booting successful. So if you do have that message, then we can now activate our device. Okay, so here comes the successful message saying RAMDISK booted successfully. So the next or the last option is to click activate no SN change. So when you click on no SN, you have a prompt saying if you do jailbreak your device, use no option. If you do use the RAM disk, since we use the RAM disk, you click on yes to activate our device. Okay, so we wait for our device to be activated. So wait for the progress bar to complete. And now we do have this prompt right over here saying we need to activate airplane mode if we need to. So we do not need airplane mode, so just click on no and just wait patiently for your device to turn on. So in case your device do not turn on, just use the power key with the volume down key to boot your device. So if the physical or have the physical home key like this is XS Plus, the iPhone SE, then you can use the home key and the power key to boot on your device. So right over here, let's wait for our device to boot up, and when it boot up, it will be on the home screen or the lock screen. So just wait for your device to turn on and you will have your device on the home screen. With this fix, you will not be able to or the limitation for this unlock is you will not be able to place call or receive call, but will be able to access all your iServices on this device. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. The name is GRGON. Make sure to check the description of this video for all required files. Thanks for watching. Peace out.